Hello everyone. This video lecture for class 8 subject science and chapter number 6 related. Today we are going to perform an activity which is related chapter number 6 and the activity is the air is essential for the burning. So dear students, under the chapter number 6, that was the combustion and flame. In that chapter we have talked about what is the combustion. So we can say it is a chemical process in which a substance react with oxygen, right? Under this process in which a substance react with oxygen to give off the heat, right? So sometimes light is also produced, so oxygen is given off and light is produced in some cases. Either as a flame or as a glow is also given off during the combustion process. So what are the necessary conditions of for the combustion, that is also we have talked about, right? So what are the condition for the combustion process? There should be combustible substance is needed, then oxygen is needed. We already learned in previous standard in junior classes, like for burning process oxygen is needed. So combustion, what is the combustion? It is also same like a procedure of फ्लेमिंग, और लाइक जैसे किसी चीज़ को हम फ्लेम देते हैं तो व्हाट विल हैपन, इट विल स्टार्ट टू बर्न द particular substance and heat and light also produce. That means one kind of energy is also produced, right? So what should be the condition to burn that particular combustion? So for combustion we can say combustible substance is required. Second thing, oxygen is must. Without oxygen anything will not start to burn, anything will not start to combustion, fine. And third, another important condition, which is surface area of combustible substance, that is much important, like larger the surface area, more in the rate of the combustion, fine. So that is why a block of wood or a log does not burn easily. हमें पता है कि जैसे वो wood का जो बड़ा सा पीस होगा will not start easily to burn, है ना, in comparison of paper. अगर पेपर होगा तो that will start to burn easily because it will occupy the small area, isn't it? So on splitting the block of wood, its pieces gives larger surface, so combustion becomes easier. So understand the combustion process, the condition which is required, that is air is essential for burning. Air, obvious we know, in the air, in the atmosphere oxygen is also there, so combustion process required air, that is essential for this process. So to understand this activity we are performing an experiment. So what is the aim? To show that air is essential for the combustion, and air, what is that? Air has oxygen, right? Or we can say to show that air has oxygen and that is all required for combustion, that is required for burning. So what material should be there? As you see here, one candle is there, table is there, flask is there, one beaker is also there, isn't it? And one shallow container should be there. Now what we have to do, first of all, fix a small candle in the middle of shallow container. किसी भी container के mid में हमें कैंडल को फिक्स कर देना है, ठीक है. आफ्टर फिक्सिंग द कैंडल इन द शैलो कंटेनर, नाउ वी हैव टू फिल द कंटेनर विथ वाटर टू द स्मॉल हाइट. थोड़े से पार्ट तक, जहाँ तक सिर्फ थोड़ा ही पार्ट कैंडल का जो डिप हो सके इतना ही पार्ट तक उसमें वाटर फिल करना है. नाउ लाइट द कैंडल. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू take a candle and fix it into a shallow container. After that we have to pour the water in shallow container and then light the candle. What we have to do, we have to light the candle. Cover this candle with an inverted glass or beaker. ठीक है, कुछ देर तक हम उसको burn करने देंगे, but after some time what we have to do, we have to cover this candle sorry, with an inverted glass on beaker, observe the change in burning candle. In first figure, as you are see in which is named by A, their candle is burning, but in but in the beaker B, what is there? The candle will स्टार्ट टू लाइट ऑफ, धीरे धीरे उसकी लाइट कम हो रही है. जैसे ही उसके ऊपर फ्लास्क से इन्वर्टेड ग्लास से उसको कवर किया गया, वो धीरे धीरे बुझना स्टार्ट हो जाएगी, है ना. it will start to put off. Now what we have to see, what we will observe, flame of candle no longer burns. जैसे ही थर्ड कैंडल में, थर्ड वाले इमेज में क्लियर दिख रहा है, जैसे उसको इन्वर्टेड ग्लास से कवर किया गया फ्लास्क को, व्हाट विल हैपन, आफ्टर अ फ्यू सेकेंड इट विल स्टार्ट टू, इट विल नाउ नो लॉन्गर इट विल बर्न, है ना, एंड ब्लो आउट. जैसे ही हमने इसको इन्वर्टेड ग्लास से कवर किया, इट विल ब्लो आउट. दिस शोज दिस that burning can occur only in the presence of oxygen. अगर ऑक्सीजन की प्रेजेंस नहीं है तो बर्निंग स्टॉप हो जाएगा. जैसे ही आपने ग्लास में जो ऑक्सीजन, जितनी देर उस ग्लास एम्प्टी ग्लास में ऑक्सीजन ऑक्यूपाई थी, वो तब तक 1-2 सेकेंड के लिए कैंडल बर्न ब्लो हुई, है ना, तो थोड़ा लाइट इन हुई. बट जैसे ही उसका ऑक्सीजन सप्लाई ख़त्म हो गया, स्टॉप हो गया, हमने उसको इन्वर्टेड ग्लास से कवर कर लिया, देन कैंडल विल ब्लो आउट, राइट. So by this process we can understand, for the burning process only in the, when it will start, when it will give the light and heat, when it will give the energy, only in the presence of oxygen, or we can say combustion process occurs only in the presence of oxygen, or we can say occurs only in the presence of air. So conclusion, burning required the presence of oxygen, then the supply of air is stopped, the burning, this thing glow out. okay, जैसे ही उसका सप्लाई स्टॉप हो गया, ऑक्सीजन का, एयर का सप्लाई स्टॉप हो गया, what will happen, it will stop to burn, or the thing particular that will be blow out. Clear? So till here, hope so you all have understood this experiment number 3rd, and you all are supposed to write this experiment notes. I am also sending by the image app. All are supposed to write in CW book. Take care. Goodbye.